Hey guys, we meet again, but today with a different topic. That's on sequences. We'll learn about the sequences today in this video. But before that, please like and subscribe my channel if you haven't. Like this video if you like it at the end when I end this video. So today we will learn about sequences as I said. So sequences is a specific order in which instructions are executed in a computer. The computer executes all his instructions in a line by line format. So we need coding. So this is the thing which I have made using these blocks. These are called coding. Hope you have understood that already. So you can see that so many codes are used to just make the this sprite. This is an Elsa to just make it move. Okay, so I'm just showing you the main codes of this. Of this project of this thing which I've created. I should not call it an app because it's not an app. It's just a project, and it's just a project after I had a class on the sequences. So today I'll teach you that. Now these these are all the codes which I have used. As you can see, look at my cursor. You can just expand your screen if you can't see it clearly. Okay, so these are all the codes which I have given to the computer. The computer will now execute this code and then will work as I have asked it to. So I have asked it at first to make a smiley on this eyes. What I have to do is I have to just make the sprite stand in a correct position so that from there I can start this project. So you can see that I have just made its angle like jump backward by 100 pixels. So it should jump backward by 100 pixels. There's a new word which is pixels. So we all know that if I ask you that move 1 feet or move 10 feet, 1 foot or move 10 feet, then what you will do is you will listen to me, you will execute it in your mind, and then you will do that. I mean, you will listen to me, you will understand, then you will execute your work, right? The computer will also do that. And here, who is the person listening to me? The person is this sprite, which is Elsa. So we call these type of things sprites. Okay. Now I've asked it to jump backward by 100 pixels. Then I have asked it to turn left by 90 degrees. Then I have asked it to jump forward by 100 pixels. Then I have asked it to turn right by 90 degrees. Then I have asked it to jump forward by 50 pixels. Then I have asked it to move forward by 200 pixels. So what's the difference between this jump and move? Right. Now I want to draw a smiley on this eyes, right? As I said earlier, that I want to draw a smiley on this eyes. So if I just make extra strokes by making my angles, if I make extra strokes, then that will not make a smiley, right? I can make this a stroke like this, a stroke like that. That will not make a smiley. So to make a smiley, I have to bring it a perfection. But I also have to put the sprite in a correct way from where I can start. So if I start from here, the smiley will not be in the center of of the screen. So to make it in the center of the screen, I need to make my sprite stand in a correct position. So jump means I jump. I do not move across the ice because if I move, the ice will that will become a drawing. If I move on ice, what happens? The ice gets a little. I mean, it goes little down. So I want to move my eyes and I want to draw a smiley, square smiley. So I could have also made a round smiley, but that's difficult. For that, I have to make a square smiley. Okay, we will come to round later. Now let's concentrate at this. So jump means I'm jumping and not moving on the ice, so it is not making creating any strokes of the ice. And move means I'm moving. I'm just walking. So that's making the that's making strokes on the ice. We did till here. So from here, I think it's clear to you. If it's not clear to you, if you have any doubt, please ask me in the chat. In the comment section below. Please ask your doubts over there. I will surely try to clear them all out to all my videos. You can ask your queries over there, and I will surely try to answer them. Okay, so we came till here. So now I have asked it to turn right by 90 degrees, move forward by 200 pixels. So these pixels are, I mean, I have cleared you doubt that we move. We call our pixels, human pixels, as move by feet, move 1 centimeter, move 2 meters, like that. So for computer, for the sprite, I can't ask it to move 1 meter, because that will just go out of the screen. So I have to make a very small unit, that's pixels. So 1 pixel is very small, that's like this much. I just try to annotate on my screen. Okay, so 1 pixel is this much what I have showed you. 2 pixels means this much, so like that 100 pixels means this much. But if I ask it to move for 1 meter, then it can't, because the screen is too small for it to move for 1 meter. So for that, I'm using this pixels. This unit is pixels. Okay, so that's not for all. It's not that for everything you make on a computer you need to use this pixels. There are other units too, but the easiest way, the basic unit to make a sprite move, or to make the computer understand the area how much it should move, we use this word pixels, this unit. Okay, so I think I have forgotten from where I stopped, so I'm again starting from here. So turn right by 90 degrees, then I have asked it to move forward by 200 pixels. Again, to turn right by 90 degrees, move forward by 200 pixels. Again, turn right by 90 degrees, move forward by 200 pixels. Again, turn right by 90 degrees, move forward by 80 pixels. So instead of writing this turn right by 90 degrees, move forward by 200 pixels 3 times, this is a different one. This is move forward by 80 pixels. So instead of asking the computer to do this again and again, I could have used the loop forward block, which I haven't used. I haven't used it purposely, so that I can explain it to you clearly. So, what is a loop forward block? The computer executes faster because the lines of the codes reduce. And repeat loop is a loop where we want a pattern of a code to repeat for a specific amount of time. I hope it's clear to you what is a repeat loop. So I haven't used it this in this project purposely, so that I can clear it to you, clear that we can use the repeat loop. Okay, this is a very long code, but when I play it, you will just see that it's so easy for the computer to do. But for me to explain the computer, it's very difficult. Okay, but if we learn the language once, then we can even write the code on our own. We don't need to use these blocks. I will come to it later on. First, let's finish this. I came till here, then it's turned right by 90 degrees, jump forward by 30 pixels. And I'm again setting its position. Jump forward means I'm setting its position by jumping forward. Turn right by 90 degrees, move forward by 50 pixels. Turn left by 90 degrees, move forward by again 50 pixels. Turn left by 90 degrees, move forward by 50 pixels. Turn left by 90 degrees, move forward by 50 pixels. Turn left by 90 degrees, move forward by 50 pixels. Here also I could have used the repeat block, but I haven't done it. So just a minute. So if I use the repeat block, then it could have been a little bit fast. My computer, my sprite could have been a little bit fast to execute the work, right? But I haven't done it, so it will be a little bit late. Okay, now we came till I think over here. Then jump forward by 100 pixels. I'm again setting its position. Turn left by 90 degrees. Move forward by 50 pixels. Turn left by 90 degrees. Again, move forward by 50 pixels. Again, turn left by 90 degrees. Move forward by 50 pixels. So many times I'm repeating the same thing. I think I have done it till this much. This place, I think I have done it. 50 pixels. Again, turn left by 90 degrees, move forward by 50 pixels. Turn left by 90 degrees, move forward by 55 pixels this time. Turn right by 90 degrees. Please follow my cursor. Jump forward by 50 pixels. Turn right by 90 degrees. Jump forward by 20 pixels. Then turn left by 90 degrees. Move forward by 50 pixels. Turn left by 90 degrees. Move forward by 100 pixels. Turn left by 90 degrees. Move forward by 50 pixels. So this is a very long code. Okay, what I said right now is I can even type the code on my own. So I can type it over here. So the typing would be like this. I don't have the block that to type it on my own. Once I learn this language, can this is the blocks are written in my language. It shows me that it's written in my language, but when I set the blocks, then the computer understands it as its own language. Which language are we learning this time? We are learning JavaScript. There's another script also, which is Qt script, but we are learning JavaScript because this is more common. So computer scientists use this JavaScript more than Qt script. The Qt script is also not very difficult. Once we learn it, it's very easy, but I'll not teach you Qt script in my classes. I'll teach you the JavaScript. So in JavaScript, whatever blocks we have put looks like this: jump backward bracket 100. So computer understands that 100 means 100 pixels. So like that we can type the code. Okay. Now we come over here. I'll just run this program twice. Okay, one in a slow I mean, it will run slow, it will walk slow, and another in a very fast. So let's watch and let's see. Just a minute, I'm so sorry, I haven't shared my sound yet. Let me, yes, just watch it. See these yellow boxes, these are coming to the field. See, when it's moving, it's making a line on the ice. These yellow boxes are the walking. These are sequentially ordered, these blocks. It needs very much concentration. It might look so easy, but it needs concentration. If you have no concentration, you won't be able to execute this work. See, I could have added a nose also over here. So this is position. So I have made this. So very slowly you could say that it followed all the steps which I have asked it to do so. Now if I run it very fast, very quickly, just see. Just see. That is not so easy. You need to ask, it might look, if you that, oh, they're in English language, I can just add the blocks and it will just make it. No, that's not like that. There are 4 steps to make anything on the computer. That's the first step is to think what I'll make. The second step is to design the thing. So a designing part, I'm unable to show you because I just made its background icy background. I just set the sprite into Elsa. When you will open code.org, you can just get them out. So this is one which I have showed. This is one project, and I have another project with me also. I hope you can see that. This is another sprite. This is not Elsa. This is drawing a cat face. So this is also a thing like that, but I have, it is a little module one. So it has a color. It's not on ice. It's on a white paper with a pencil I'm drawing. You can see this pencil when it will move. You can see it is also sequentially ordered. I think that I don't know. I don't need to show you these things. Okay, so I don't think that I again need to explain these things to you. But I will again start it, but in a medium manner, not so this thing. Now I start running the app. You just watch it. I'll just not talk. You just watch it. Okay. Okay. So let's run it. Okay. So it just ended. It was so fast that I could not follow it only. But I think you know that yellow boxes come when the code is working. Okay, so I just drew, I just I mean I've just drawn a cat face on a white sheet with pencil, blue colored pencil. So this is an artist type. Okay, so this is one project which I have done with while after learning sequences. This is another one which I have learned. So this also has a JavaScript where I can type over here. Now you can read here. Even top universities teach block-based coding. Example: Berkeley, Harvard. Block-based coding means what I have done, but under the hood, the blocks you have assembled can also be shown in JavaScript, the world's most widely used coding language. This is the most widely used coding language. CotiScript is also another language. You can watch other YouTube tutorials on that. But I would prefer this JavaScript to you because it's easier for me. This language is in a medium level of our English language and computer's language. So I am executing everything. I am asking the computer to do everything in my language, and the computer is executing the work by understanding my language and changing it into his own language. Okay, so one thing I haven't told you is this part where I am setting the blocks over here, also this part. So these parts are called the workspace. This is the workspace, and this is the place where we check. This does not have any name like that. We can just run and check our app over here, the last step to create an app, to build an app. And this is the workspace. Here we work, so we can put our blocks here and there also, and we can at last, at the end, when we are going to check the app, we must know that they're sequentially ordered. If I did not order these things sequentially and I added this one first, then this one, then it did not have any sequence, then would it execute this work? No, it would have executed some other thing, some other thing that I don't know what it could have executed. It could have executed things which has no meaning. So I I think that you have written down what I have told you, the description of sequences. Still, I'm again telling you that sequences, just write it down if you can, or otherwise just remember it. The sequences is a specific order in which instructions are executed in a computer. The computer executes all its instructions in a line by line format. So we need coding. So that's not so easy. Again and again, I'm telling you that this is not so easy. You're thinking, you might think that it's easy, but it's not so easy. Okay, so you can also build apps like this. You can also watch my tutorials or my videos to create apps like this. You can also create your own channel, YouTube channel, like me. I am not a very expert at these things, but I learned coding and I can understand, I can make out how this coding is used and how it is not used. So I would study further with coding, okay? But please like and subscribe my channel Coding Mind for videos like this to understand coding more easily. Today we learned sequences. Watch my other videos which I have already posted, and I will also post the videos. Please watch them, okay? To get I thinking of to understand what my channel is on. My channel is value based, so I don't think that it would be we would have a much problem to like it and subscribe it, because it does not publish any unnecessary posts. Whatever we all publish is on coding, and it's very important for us these days. During lockdown, we people have started loving coding, in fact. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Like and subscribe my channel. Also, ask your doubts in the comment section. I will surely try to help you out. I will surely try to answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. We'll meet again later. Please like and subscribe my channel, and please share it to your friends so that they can also understand. They can also learn coding by watching my channel. Thank you.